Hey guys, my name is Molly.
My name is Dylan, and we're from the YouTube channel Wood Brew.
Today we're going to be looking at the 4.5-gallon portable electric-powered silent air compressor from Husky.
We have had air compressors in the shop before, but this one is by far the quietest. We can actually hear each other speak when this one is running at less than 65 decibels.
What do you think we can do with the doors on the next project?
I think it would be a really good idea to router out the back of the doors so we can just set the panel.
It's mostly ideal for household inflation jobs such as bike tires, car tires, air mattresses, sports balls, and pool toys. It's also perfect for tools such as brad nailers and finish nailers, which can actually be hooked up at the same time with two quick couplers that allow two tools to work simultaneously. The integrated metal control panel is made for easy operation, and the compressor features a height adjustable handle and rubber wheels that give this compressor easy mobility. This motor is a 1.3 horsepower 4-pole induction motor that lasts 2 times longer with an oil-free pump that requires less maintenance. This 4.5 portable electric powered silent air compressor has it all.